Getting your visa for Egypt ahead of time can be a hassle. I have tried using the official government website. However, I found iVisa and they're a lot easier to work with. This video is not sponsored by iVisa. I just think they have a great product and a much nicer user-friendly interface. So to get started, I've gone to their website, which I've linked in the description below. You can see here I have put my nationality and where I'm going. I'm going to Egypt. Next, I'm going to click on Get Started. You can see here on this page, we've got a few options. We do have the 90-day e-visa and we have a 6-month e-visa. Just choose whichever one works for you and meets your travel needs. And so we're ready to go, and I'm going to click on Apply Now. You can see here that they're just reconfirming that you are indeed from whichever country you are from and that you're applying for an e-visa for Egypt. You want the single entry. If you wanted to change your mind, you can select here. You've got the e-visa for 80 days, multiple entry, and we've got the single entry. And here on the right-hand side, it shows you what it's valid for, the number of entries, and your maximum stay. So once you're ready, go ahead and click on Start Now. You can see here you can add some protection in case you're denied your visa. If you want to decline it, that's fine. If you want to add it, you can go ahead and add it. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and proceed. You can see here they want to know your trip details. When are you going to arrive in Egypt? And when are you departing Egypt? Once you're ready, you can click on that box down at the bottom. If you want to receive any updates from iVisa, product launches, personalized offers, anything like that, you can tick that box. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on Save and Continue. You can see here they just want to know your personal details, first and middle name, your last name, gender, date of birth, and you can see here if you do want to add somebody else to your application, you can click here and you can add a second applicant. And if you need to get rid of anybody, you can click this bin here. But once you're ready, go ahead and click Save and Continue. You can see here they want to know your residency information, your country of birth, and your country of residence. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Save and Continue. Here on this page, they just want your passport information. You do need to choose the nationality you will be traveling to Egypt on. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you probably only have one nationality. If you are like those of us who do have multiple nationalities, you need to select the one that you're going to be traveling to Egypt on, because that's going to be the one linked to your visa. So enter in your passport details. You've got your passport number, expiration date, and your application type. You'll see here you've got single, family, or group. This is particularly helpful if you are a family going to Egypt and you do want to apply together. If you're just applying as a single person, you're going to click on Single. And once you're ready, click on Save and Continue. On this page, you're going over the processing time and any fees. So if you do have iVisa Plus, which is a subscription service, there's a different price, and you can see that there. If you want to learn more, you can go ahead and click on that Learn More button. And so here we have the processing times. Now, if you want it within 10 days, you want it in a hurry, you want it in 8 days, or you really, really want it quickly, the best they can do at the minute is 6 days. So click on whichever processing time works for you. And once you're ready, click on Save and Continue. On this page, they've given you the options to look at your trip details, personal details, residency, passport, processing time, and fees. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click Save and Continue. Now, just one thing I want to point out, this application has been done in US dollars. There are other currencies that you can use, like Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, British pounds, euros, whichever works for you. There are multiple currencies available, so you don't have to pay in US dollars. Like I said, once you're ready, go ahead and click on Save and Continue. You can see here, we're on the payment page. They take either debit or credit cards. You can see they take major credit cards, or you can pay with Apple Pay, PayPal, or Venmo. And once you're ready, go ahead and submit payment. I will say from experience, this is where I ran into some issues with the actual Egypt e-visa portal. I couldn't get the payment to go through. I know some people who did, but their banks flagged it as fraud. I just find iVisa to be a lot more reliable in that regard. And then once you get your confirmation from iVisa to say, hey, we've got your application, they will process it on your behalf. And then once your visa is ready, they will send you that and they'll give you all the information you need to know about your visa. And that's it. I hope you have a great time in Egypt, and it's that easy.